Hello everyone, I'm Professor Meenakshi Singh. Welcome you all on my video lecture series on supply chain management. Today we are going to discuss about lean supply chain management. So let's start. When you plan your day, you're likely to plan it in the most efficient way so as not to waste the time and resources. Businesses do that as well, applying a simple concept that is called lean supply chain. What is lean? Lean we can describe as doing more with less. If we are talking about the supply chain included material suppliers, manufacture facilities, delivery services and clients, all connected by a feed forward run of materials and feedback run in sequence. When we integrate lean and supply chain, it gives organizations ability to leverage their own lean journey more easily. Lean supply chain delivers better customer value for responding more efficiently, quickly and predictably to customer needs. In short, lean supply chain management is about removing waste or unwanted component from a process. If you're talking about the past business practices, in the past, manufacturing businesses relied on purchasing large amount of supplies in order to get better prices on materials. The process involved buying bulk material at a lower price and then warehousing the material until it was needed. Many companies have now eliminated the concept of bulk ordering and have moved to lean supply chain practices due to large amount of money that can be tied up in inventory. Most often, this process is applied in manufacturing, where supplies can be ordered as they are needed rather than backstocking a lot of inventory. With a lean approach, it is important for organizational leadership to identify the value and non-value parts of the supply chain. By identifying what is value in the supply chain, a determination can be made on how to focus the business on those valued parts. Equally, non-valued parts can be eliminated to keep cost and inefficiency at a minimum. Non-valued parts are those parts in the process that have zero or negative return on investment. The elimination of non-valued parts has positive or no impact on the same outcome of the process. A lean approach occurs in business, but there are few impact in our practical life or day-to-day life too. We can take example like if you would not buy a year's worth of groceries and store them all at home, right? The produce would go bad and you would not know exactly how much you would need of each time. And you may not know what your family would like to eat 9 months from now. Not to mention all the money that could potentially be wasted with this system. With a lean approach, you get what you need more often to reduce waste. If you're talking about the supply chain breakdown, here are 3 key elements of the lean supply chain. The first key point is warehousing, the second key point is transportation, and third one is lean customer. If you're talking about the warehousing from a lean perspective includes inventory on demand, which means only the inventory currently needed to order and stored. Lean warehousing enables organization to save cash flow and for other urgent needs. The second key point is the transportation. Lean transportation can include multiple stops on delivery routes, lower fuel cost, better customer services for on-time delivery, and larger payloads for efficient distribution. Automated functions for drivers would ensure more timely use of vehicles by eliminating paper waste and more organized information. The third key element of lean supply chain management is lean customer. It is an advantage for customer to know what exactly they want and have a shared interest in the efficiency of the process. When a customer understands their needs and can rely that to the business, both sides benefit. A good example of this phenomena is when a customer is a repeat wholesale customer and an order can be made for exactly what is needed. When the supplier can order for the customer the exact supply need rather than having to choose from items on hand. The costs are driven down, which benefit both the businesses and the customers. Here I am taking an example of the Ninja Cart. As we know, Ninja Cart is India's largest agri-marketing platform, solving one of the toughest supply chain problems through technology. It connects vegetable and fruits farmers directly to the businesses. At one end, it helps farmers get better prices and deal with consistent demand, and on other end, it helps retailers to source fresh vegetable at competitive prices directly from farmers. Ninja Cart to do this effectively at lower cost, better speed and larger scale using integrated supply chain, which we say as lean supply chain management. And this whole process is powered by technology, data science, infrastructure and logistics network. Ninja Cart has adopted few success tools here which make it competitive business in the market. The first is open communication and the collaboration between farmers and the business. It allows the need of both parties to meet and reduce waste from the farmers and the businesses. The second point, management occurring at high level to have visibility on the entire process from the beginning to the end. Management at the top of the business process can see and communicate, reduce redundancy, see deficiencies and increase quality. The next success tool is an elimination of the redundancy in the procurement. So multiple parties are not paying higher prices due to different purchasing resources. For example, on a local level, supplies could be bought at discounted prices that the corporate level may not be aware of. Having designated purchasing agents for certain items ensure the best prices obtained. At the last, we can say lean supply chain management is worthy to note that integration of supply chain management and lean thinking covers both local and in general leanness, which leads to a really lean supply chain. This is all about the lean supply chain management. Hope you all like this. But thank you so much for watching me. Before leaving, share, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you all.